Hello, this is Loretta Living. I am participating in a fall vignette challenge hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. She asked us first to have a tray, a fall decor item, fall floral, a plate, and number 5, an item with words. So first, I'm going to show you that my tray. This is my tray. Hold it up. I have my tray. I have my plate, which says give thanks. I have words that has home sweet home. I'm using that. I have a placemat that I'm using that I purchased from Home Goods. Beaded placemat. I thought that was so pretty. My fall flora is plain and simple. I have a container that I purchased from Burleson's, and I'm going to stuff it with flowers. It's plain and simple. I have pumpkins that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, as you can tell. And my stand to hold my plate. So let's get started. First, I'm going to put my stand here in the center. Okay, my stand, my plate, oops, excuse me, my plate will be centered right there in the middle of my corner. And I want to put my tray right here in the center, my placemat centered. I am going to take my fall pot that I purchased from Burleson's, some flowers that I bought from the Dollar Tree, plain and simple. I'm going to take the stem off of them, little tag off of them, and these were some cute little balls that I found. And I want to center them in the middle. And you see my pumpkin with the fall leaves. Now I'm going to simply just take this and stick it in here and place it like I want it. I'm taking and fix it just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to center that on the corner. I want that on the corner in my little bucket. Now my placemat, I want to turn it just catty-corner a little bit. Okay, my words, home sweet home, I want to center that right here near my plate, home sweet home. Then I'm going to place my pumpkins in. I want to place my pumpkins in front of my container, so they will be seen. Because I still want my beautiful placemat to be seen. Okay? So I want to show you what I did. It's just plain and simple. It's not a whole lot. But I used my plate. I used my home sweet home, my floral piece, my tray, and I used a beautiful placemat. Like I said, beaded placemat. And it's plain and simple. I want to thank Miss Denise Jordan for inviting me to do this Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge. I really want to thank her. This was so nice of her. She helped decorate my kitchen corner. So I want to thank her so much. Thank you, Miss Jordan. And I enjoyed participating.